What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know it's your boys. Them boys crazy. Y'all already know it's your boy Roy to rob up in his mug, man.
I already know what's going on, man. Know it's your boy Cam Official. Anytime you see our face, you know it's time for another reaction.
Quit playing. Man, hey, look, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be real with y'all, bro. We trying to get to the point where we react to like everything. Like, of course, we're gonna throw some music video in there, here and there. You know what I'm saying? But we're trying to get to a point where we just trying to react to like anything y'all can think of. I'm talking about anything y'all can think of that y'all want to react to. Funny videos, any type of videos y'all can think of. TikTok video, funny videos, other YouTube, anything y'all can think of. You know what I'm saying? We just trying to expand, you know.
It's time to grow, man.
Yeah, we trying to expand, so we just let y'all know ahead of time. We're gonna keep, you know what I'm saying, reiterating this in the other videos.
You can never stop doing what, you know, help you grow in the first place.
Sure.
But, you know, it comes a time and a place in a man's life.
Well, you know what I'm saying? You just want to add more to your arsenal.
You gotta add more to it. That's just the bottom line. So, you know, hopefully, you know, y'all still rock with us through the process. You know, I know the real ones, they've been rocking with us for a long time. They'll still be here, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, shout out to all our fans, our support, man. Much love to y'all. And we're gonna do this together. Hey, we're finna go together. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the big booty, man. Man, this is what I heard, Chief Keef fireworks show gone wrong. I ain't gonna lie. I seen a small snippet of the joint. And I was like, man, bro, we might as well do one of these videos. We got part 1 and part 2. We gonna play part 1 first. It's just different angles.
Different angles, you know what I'm saying? I think my boy's showing out for the 4th, you hear me?
Man, for real. Said that might have 5 fireworks show. Crazy. You are. That shit like a walker. Good. I'm sorry.
They bullshit.
It's just still going to there. Still going. Hey, where a firework did it? It's on
for real though. That's the big boy.
Oh, me. Damn. See, they paying for this real big boy. I think somebody lifted it up.
Probably.
Somebody lifted that junk up. Somebody lifted that junk up. We can go to the junk. What it is? Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's junk right here. Because they going to show like the rest of the fire will show on this junk right here. Right after that, you know it's this time.
Hold on.
Look at his ass.
My old chauffeur said, look how my boy dipped off.
Yeah, nah.
He dipped off so quick.
He try to walk up on the coolest shit. Yeah, nah. Oh my God. Why'd you hit the side of the car, bro?
Them folk gone. Them folk gone.
But that's crazy. Whoever went to lift that junk up, brave, and
she still sitting there recording. Damn.
Ooh.
Damn.
Oh, sorry. That's how them folks get shot in.
This the PTSD right there.
Man, for real.
But you see how I keep ran off?
Bro, this stuff, so you got these fireworks on.
They finally got it together.
They mother coming like real downtown time.
They spend some of their real money. So
real, for real.
I ain't no fireworks this year. So I'm just too expensive.
I had to play the baked beans spaghetti.
It's ribs.
Ribs on me. See, they got that money. They can do all that. I'm telling you, that just still going. Them folk going stupid, dog. Like, look at this. Then they got the track hours and Hellcats.
Damn.
We got that cat. They gotta clean out of though.
Oh yeah, y'all better get up out of there.
Me. Oh, me, but them folks lying.
I gotta see that one more.
Bro, I'll tell you that. Whenever I hit that corner, bro, that stuff was so funny. I'm sorry, this is funny.
Bro, that was out of there. I'm sorry.
And it came straight to her, bro, face.
Dumb John was going ham.
And they bought all them expensive cars, dog.
Hellcat, 392, all types of stuff.
Man, it's...
You see at the end of the video, they got up out there,
got that driveway, out his front porch.
See, I'm gonna be real. They probably knew it was some good stuff, but they probably didn't know that.
Yeah.
They was coming like that because they was in a small. They was in a small space, bro.
Then but how it be for everybody probably like, nah, don't put it on the edge. They're like, bro, I know what I'm doing. I got this. Lit it up and they just tilt it over and fail.
Cause if you look at, I ain't gonna lie, they just coming like this. They going boom. I'm talking about just start going off. He ain't doing that no more. Next year, I know for feet like man, we ain't doing.
Somebody had said the Cubbies, Chief is gonna blow the jerseys up. That's so funny, bro. Alright, but I know the four had fun though. I ain't gonna lie.
What y'all do for the 4th? Cause I ain't gonna lie to you. All I did was eat.
Comment what y'all did for the 4th. If y'all possible fireworks, you know what I'm saying? How much y'all spent on fireworks this year?
If y'all got to plug it up, no, cause I swear to you, man, it's
this year I couldn't
fireworks.
It's over. And it's so crazy though, cause I went past the little fireworks. I ain't even see a lot of people there every time I was going past.
I ain't gonna lie, when I passed that on the way home, it was a couple folks up in there that were trying to get the
like last year when we had
we was so deep in that.
Bro, the line was so long.
And it was hot outside.
It was hot outside, line long. Everybody messed up this shit.
From last year, shoot. I ain't gonna even about to see.
Yeah, them folks said if I gotta regroup and get their money back up for the next year. Them folks said they gotta skip again.
What was so messed up? But when you walked in, you start seeing them prices. You like, oh, I done waited in this long line.
This long line for this, bro. That's why I said, bro, if you want to get you a nice little fireworks show, the whole family gotta come together for about 3 bands. Everybody gotta come together and just real deal spend money together.
Everybody just go get what they need, bro. I promise you, them fireworks.
High.
Folks are coming through the neighborhood, man. But we got them fireworks. We trying to see what we can get for $100. I'm like, you can get
a couple of these, what's called them, Roman counterfeit.
Yeah, come on, well, I'm straight, homie. I'm straight. I'm just gonna eat, and that's about it.
Oh, me, you ain't lying. It's so weird, but hey, man, y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the reaction, don't forget to subscribe. It's your boys, them boys crazy. We out.